Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Barclays Business Banking Review My Usage Experience. Barclays Business Banking Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for businesses to manage and analyze their banking activity with Barclays. It's aimed at small to medium-sized businesses that bank with Barclays, providing tools to track spending, analyze financial performance, and potentially gain insights for better business management. Key features likely include transaction history viewing, categorization of expenses, and potentially reporting capabilities. Their website provides details on specific features and functionalities. Their website provides details on different account packages and the associated costs. They emphasize ease of use through a streamlined interface, promising transparent pricing with no hidden fees. Availability is limited to existing Barclays business banking customers. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Barclays Business Banking Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. After logging in with my existing Barclays business credentials, the dashboard was instantly accessible. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I quickly found the transaction history and easily downloaded a CSV file for my accounting software. I particularly appreciated the ability to categorize expenses, which significantly simplified my bookkeeping. The performance was consistently smooth and reliable. I never experienced any lag or glitches. I had a quick question about a specific transaction and their support responded within 2 days via email, which was perfectly acceptable. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, and the standout feature for me was definitely the expense categorization tool. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, which would have made it even more convenient for on-the-go checks. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Barclays Business Banking Review My Usage Experience. It streamlined my financial analysis process significantly and gave me better visibility into my business finances. That's my overview of Barclays Business Banking Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.